Hi there, this is Daniel again with another ASMT video. In this case, this is the demo video for adding analytics to the lecture details page. In the previous video, I demoed the lecture details page. This page just showed some simple information for the lecture, at the point being the date posted, average time completed, as well as things like the lecture's length. Going ahead down here, we have a visual guide for what is it we expect. Going ahead and adding now students and a student list, as well as information about the student's completion of this lecture. Let's go along with the demo. Starting at the course page, let's pick a new course this time. Going ahead, you can see all the lectures associated with this course. After clicking on a lecture, you see lecture details are present before, but now also student level metrics. Going ahead and showing for each student completion, time viewed, view percentage, start, last viewing, as well as the average view date. As always, thanks for watching the video.